Welcome to the July 2026 edition of Brainfeed magazine. Have you ever wondered how the lotus flower stays spotless while sitting in muddy water? Turns out it's not just poetic symbolism, there's real science behind it, and it's inspiring some pretty incredible inventions. Let's get into it. For centuries, the lotus has been admired as a symbol of purity. Often seen rising spotless from muddy waters, it represents the idea of remaining untouched by surrounding impurities. Now, modern science has revealed that this symbolism is not just poetic, it is grounded in reality. The secret behind the lotus plant's spotless appearance lies in the lotus effect. At first glance, lotus leaves appear smooth. However, under a microscope, they reveal a rough, bumpy surface covered with tiny wax crystals. These crystals play a crucial role in repelling water. When water falls on a lotus leaf, it does not spread out. Instead, it forms round droplets that quickly roll off the surface. This happens because the wax coating prevents water from sticking, while the rough texture reduces the area of contact between water and the leaf. The real magic lies in how these rolling droplets interact with dirt. Dust and other particles sit lightly on the tips of the wax crystals rather than sticking firmly to the leaf. As water droplets move across the surface, they pick up these particles and carry them away. This process ensures that the leaf remains clean without any external help. In contrast, smoother leaves allow dirt to spread across their surface, as water tends to spread out instead of rolling off. The lotus effect is not only about cleanliness, it also plays a vital role in the plant's survival. Dirt particles often carry harmful microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. By removing these particles, the lotus reduces the risk of infection. Even the few microorganisms that remain find it difficult to survive, as the water-repellent surface prevents them from accessing the moisture they need to grow. And here's where it gets really exciting. The discovery of the lotus effect has inspired scientists and engineers to develop self-cleaning materials, including paints, fabrics, and glass surfaces. By mimicking the lotus leaf structure, these innovations aim to reduce dirt accumulation in everyday life. The lotus continues to be a powerful symbol, not only in culture, but also in science. Its natural ability to stay clean in muddy surroundings offers both inspiration and practical solutions, reminding us that nature often holds the answers to some of our most complex problems. If this made you look at plants differently, share it with a friend and tell us in the comments which everyday object would you want to be self-cleaning. See you in the next one on Brainfeed TV.